Ancient Rome, Episode 41 The Rise of Camillus, Rome's first great general. Imagine a single mastermind altering the fate of a rising empire. Welcome to Veii, an Etruscan fortress that stood against the might of Rome from 406 to 396 BCE. In this period, the Etruscans were a powerful force in Italy, and their fierce defense of Veii posed a formidable challenge to the young Roman Republic. Meet Camillus, the brilliant general leading the charge. With about 40,000 troops, he devised innovative tactics, including siege works and psychological warfare. Drawing from his extensive military experience, he cut off Veii's water supply, effectively encircling the city. The siege dragged on for a grueling 10 years, testing the endurance of both soldiers and the citizens of Rome, who yearned for victory. Finally, in 396 BCE, after relentless years of warfare, Veii fell. This victory wasn't just the end of a siege, it marked a crucial expansion of Roman territory and influence. The celebrations back in Rome were extravagant, with festivals honoring the triumph, solidifying Rome's reputation as a burgeoning power. However, the treatment of the Etruscan inhabitants would sow seeds of tension that would echo through history. But Camillus didn't rest on his laurels. His experiences at Veii sparked military reforms that transformed the Roman army from a citizen militia into a professional fighting force. This shift not only boosted military effectiveness, but also had profound socio-political implications, laying the groundwork for Rome's dominance across Italy and beyond. In 390 BCE, disaster struck. The Gauls, led by the fierce Brennus, stormed into Rome, leaving a trail of destruction. Temples were desecrated, sacred relics stolen, and the city was plunged into chaos, shaking the very faith of Romans in their leaders. Yet, amid the ruins, a spark of hope ignited. Camillus, banished due to political strife, heard the desperate cries of his fellow Romans. His resolve to return and reclaim not just the city, but its very spirit, marked the start of an extraordinary comeback. In 389 BCE, Camillus rallied a determined force, igniting their spirits with promises of glory and restoration. Together, they marched back to the city, ready to confront the Gauls and reclaim their homeland through Camillus's brilliant strategies. With a brilliant counter-offensive, Camillus defeated the Gauls, restoring not only the city but also its sacred relics. The return of the revered statue of Jupiter symbolized victory and rekindled hope among citizens. Their gratitude during this restoration solidified Camillus's legacy as a national hero and protector of Roman identity. In 396 BCE, Camillus assumed the role of dictator, a position granting extraordinary powers during Rome's most desperate hour. His ability to command respect across social classes showcased his unique blend of military prowess and political acumen. During the Gallic invasion in 390 BCE, Camillus was called to lead once again. In the midst of chaos, he exhibited a calm that inspired confidence in his troops and citizens alike. His strategic mind focused not only on military tactics, but also on restoring the morale of a shaken populace. By 387 BCE, Camillus transitioned from warrior to statesman. His political reforms addressed citizens' grievances, skillfully navigating the treacherous waters of Roman politics. His wisdom and integrity earned him respect, solidifying his role as a unifying figure in a divided society. Camillus' influence stretched far beyond his lifetime. As the ideal Roman leader, he became a symbol of bravery and civic duty in literature and art. Historians like Livy immortalized his story, ensuring that the virtues of Camillus would inspire generations, shaping the very essence of Roman identity. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay up to date with our latest content.